Getting ready to have some rain, storm brewing. It's pretty dark. Horses are out for the night. In the summer, the horses are in the barns during the day because it's so hot. It got up to 92 today, and then they come out at night. So yeah, they've just been put out. My nephew put them out. It's almost 7, I think. That noise is like, I don't know if you can see. Oh my goodness. B, what's going on, baby? What's going on? Is storming? You getting ready to storm? Oh my goodness. It's okay. Hang out with Jack over there. Oh yeah. Ooh. Heavy wind. It feels so good out here now. You probably can't get a, well yeah, you can see the color. It's like a weird pink. It doesn't look as dark in the camera, but it's like a really dark gray with a little bit of pink. You can see, if you can see the birds flying around. Yeah, the horses are a little bit, they're running around. They're like, what the heck's going on, guys? They're probably a little nervous. You can hear, I don't know if you can see that metal on that barn there. You can hear it for sure. Flapping. It needs to be fixed. It makes a loud noise when the wind blows a lot. What, sweetheart? You nervous too? You nervous? Come up here. Come up here. No? Okay. Oh, shizzle. What? Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, it's show it all the way over here. On this side, it's a little bit lighter. But, hey, darling. Ooh. Yeah, my nephew just went out there. He didn't want to be on camera, so he told me to avert the camera. That's fine. I understand. I mean, this is his workplace. Uh-oh, he's running there. You can't see him up close, but he's running. I guess he's going to check on something. I'm not sure what. Something's going on. I don't think it'll last too long, but they did say it was supposed to rain and storm possibly this afternoon, and it definitely looks like it's doing it. Ooh. Ooh. I love that wind though. I love a good storm as long as it's not like dangerous, but I love a good thunderstorm. Ooh. That chair just blew over. Man, that is some heavy duty wind right here. We'll back up some. B, where'd you go? B? I thought you went down the stairs, boo-boo. Ooh, some heavy wind. I'm going to sit down in this chair here for a little bit. See if I can... You can't see as good when I'm sitting. Uh-oh. Here comes the rain. Starting to rain. Woo! Okay, I just came in because it's got the cats in the, we're in the laundry room and the window's broken out in one of these windows, so the, ooh, man, it's coming down in sheets. Ooh, ow. Okay, yeah, I had to delete some stuff in my phone to be able to record because it was full. Where did B? Oh, B's on. B's on the hot water heater. Jack is right there. Yeah, it was really bad a little while ago. but I missed it because I was having to take the time to delete stuff from my phone. But yeah, the wind's blowing. It was really doing it hard a little bit ago. I think maybe the worst is over. We'll see. Wind started gusting again. Ooh. I feel it. Yeah, it's starting to come down again. It's really... Ooh. Okay. I'm on the front porch now. Sky's lighter, but it sure is coming down. Ooh. You see the wind blowing the rain. Ooh. Goodness. Just lightened, so I imagine it'll thunder here in a second. Yep. Still storming a little bit. It wasn't thundering and lightning to begin with, but some time has passed and now it's kind of thundering and lightning, even though it's kind of eased up some. It's still coming down a little bit. Horses act like they feel good. They were running a little bit. Y'all feeling good out there? Bee, it's you wet?